Alright, let me show you something cool. This is a setup we've made for bio tracking system. We integrated our sensor device here to read BPM and then predict systolic and diastolic, and then this is the PCB there, then this is the UART where we're reading it from the computer. So let me place my hand here. Let's give it like 10 seconds. So it's computing. So you see my current BPM, my systolic, and it's trying to get the average reading. I guess this video is kind of elevating my reading, but then let me show you something impressive. So this is the PCB that is for the device we have over here, and then this is the reading on the serial monitor. I'm trying to calm myself down while making this video, while having the whole thing well augmented.